Hi, welcome to One Question with UpTop Health. And today we're focusing on the article, Third-Party Firms Improve Cross-Functional Communications. And after reading the article, the question I came up with is, what is the key to assembling the right team? And Craig, I'll let you start off today.
All right, thanks. The key to assembling the right team, I think as you think about the team that you're going to assemble, it all starts off with the problem that you're trying to solve. And then within that construct, if you think about the characters that are going to play a role cross-functionally, you want to have a champion, the leader who's leading the effort to solve the problem. You need to enlist subject matter experts, thinking of it from technical, business, and process perspective. You need to make sure that you have a customer advocate, so someone that represents the customer, and the customer could be internal or external, depending on what the problem is that you're trying to solve. And then you want to have a person or persons that are bridge builders. They function as the person that's has the ability to cross functional lines and ask questions and things like that. And I think as you're looking at it internally, the framework that we use when we're looking at our team internally, as well as how we look at folks that we're working with, is the model from Patrick Lencioni and the Ideal Team Player, where they're looking for folks that are humble, hungry, and smart. And that it's just a really great reminder of the characteristics that help foster cross-functional communications. And then the role of the third party, and where I think the third party has the advantage in facilitating this team once you've assembled it, is that a third party is typically going to be asking questions out of curiosity, to really understand, and then providing that outside-in perspective, kind of a pattern matching where we've seen this before, to dig deeper. And then culturally, typically a third party is not looking to climb the career ladder, so they're not as worried about asking something that may be a faux pas, if you will. And then having a results-driven mindset to kind of keep things moving forward. So you add that together as a third party with the right team assembled from a client, and it's magical. You can really see velocity and creativity and innovation come to be. Mike, from your perspective, do you have anything you want to add?
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right that being an outside agency coming in to a project allows us to be that neutral party, which is free from any biases, and allows us to take the lead, on these projects. And because we are, design-led, we really emphasize the user's need above all else. And what this does is it allows the approach to really objectify the problem and make decision-making transparent for all to see. And they can trust that there is no ulterior motive. Whereas, within organizations, there could be that kind of stuff, right? But, with us leading that process, we build alignment across teams by pulling them together through design thinking workshops, having them all collaborate together in helping solve that problem. And this allows, representatives from various teams, whether it's product, IT, customer service, design, executive sponsors, et cetera, all those folks that you named, Craig, to, really develop skin in the game and allow their voices to be heard. So, we, through these workshops, really provide that stage for them to, voice their opinions, whereas otherwise they might not be able to do that, at least collectively, as a cross-functional team. And as outside firms, we can really help shape which parties are involved on a project based on the value that they can contribute. So that's about it.
Yeah, great thoughts, Mike. Thanks.
Yeah.